0 calibration. Firstly, make sure there is no weight on the forks. Step 1. Press on button once. Step 2. Press hold button until it reads F1. Step 3. Press on button once and press 0 several times until it reads F1.6. Step 4. Press on button twice until it reads End and F1.6. Zero calibration is completed. Now we will do weight calibration. Press 0 button once, it shows F1.7. Press on button twice. Put on a standard weight. It must be over 10% of the scale capacity, 2,500 kilograms. Press gross and tare button to set the weight value. Press on button and it reads End and F1.7. Press hold button, it reads the value of weight. Weight calibration is completed.